gone, haven't they? Oh no, they're still in the same place.
Sorry, I got hold of a dog. Shut the door.
They go, where's our house gone?
I wasn't quite ready for you, I hadn't zoomed in yet. So you sacrificed your beer to the...
Oh no, no.
No, no. There's the beer.
It's locked. They can't do lock.
Sam!
Sam,
Oh.
in. Come on. Sam!
Monkey!
Come on.
Sam!
Come on.
Sorry about that very loud scream, you stupid dog.
It's a new thing.
Okay, just...
Do you think they worked out there's no house there?
We didn't take the other house off.
Oh, right, so go and get it.
Yeah, hang on. There you go, this has got the slowest zoom ever. Oh, that wasn't fun. Don't put it in the house.
They want to put it out here because they're going to move in.
Put it in the bin. Not that bin. That bin. It's clearly one with the animals.
They're kind of pissy, aren't they?
They're not impressed.
But there's nothing going on with that.
Chuck on them.
Huh?
What can we chuck on them that would stop their whew. Right, this is round 2 of wasp killing.
Wasp wars.
Go on, bear. We have vanish carpet foam because it's the best we could come up with.
Oh, there's a gap at the top.
Oh, there's a gap.
Feel the technology.
Told you foam was the best bet.
Oh, they're just dropping off. Do you see that? They're all getting out.